Hi, in this video I will show you how you can upcycle a piece of paper or any suitable materials into a wallet. Okay, so in this example I will be using a paper. It is not the best material, however this is just an example, so you can just follow my steps. So assuming you have cut your paper or your material into an A4 shape, A4 size, what you do first step is to fold the paper into two. Okay, try to be as accurate as you can. Okay, step 2, open up, and what you do now is to fold the right side to the middle line. Okay, and then fold the left side, the left half, up to the middle line. Okay, so now open the paper again, and what you should see are 3 fold lines, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, next step, get a pen and draw out about a line at the ends of the fold lines, about 1.5 cm long. So we've got 1, 2. If you're not so sure, you can get a ruler to make sure that all the lines are even. Okay, done. Next, get a piece of scissors. Children, if you're not sure about how to use the scissors, please get an adult to help you. So with the scissors, you need now to cut the marked lines. So that means you need to cut 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So next step is get the rightmost edge of the paper, and this time instead of folding to the middle, you need to fold to the furthest line. Okay, again, try to be as accurate and as straight as possible. So you've done 1, and next is fold the paper into half, but from the bottom to the top. Right. Now look at the edge where all the sides are merged to. Okay. And you need to cut out a triangle. So in this triangle, I'll just use a pen to show you. You can see there's a line over here. So make sure that your triangle is probably at least half a cm from the line. So meaning, if this is the line, I just marked it out so that you can see. Okay, so get about half a cm and draw what we call an isosceles triangle. Okay, So get the scissors and now cut the triangle out. Alright, so now you can put everything aside. Open your paper again, and what you will see is your A4 paper with all the 6 slits and a window. Okay, so next is you need to fold the flaps that's made from the slits. Okay, notice that you got 4 sections of the paper, 1, 2, 3, 4. So fold the flaps on the second and the 4th section. So there's a top and then the bottom and the 4th section, top and bottom. Okay, so without opening up back the slits or the flap, fold your paper. Okay, the right side fold over the window, and then now the 4th side, the 4th section, fold to the middle. Okay, when you are done, once again, fold one more time to the middle. Alright, so you are now looking at the inside part of your wallet. The last step actually is just to flip this edge into the slot over here. So as you can see, you have 2 flaps. Keep them together. You don't need a glue. All you have to do is just to open up the slot and gently fold them in. A good material to use for making this wallet would be discarded or leftover wallpaper, because they are soft and tough also, so that makes it good to be a wallet. And they also have design to make your wallet look beautiful. So there we have it, and we have folded the left and right side. So now just fold the wallet into 2, and there you have it, your upcycle wallet. Okay, so once again, you can use leftover wallpapers, or you can also use the front or the back pages of magazines. These are quite hard but soft papers, not just soft but bendable papers, so they make good materials to make this wallet. Okay, so just in case you use a plain paper just like me, you can move on to the next step by getting your students to design or to decorate the wallet so that they look personal. Okay, so there we have it again, an upcycle wallet. Thank you.